Hello, it's Crafty Rhea, and I am so glad you are joining me today for Happy Mail Day. I hope you enjoy Happy Mail Days as much as I do. I'm going to go ahead and open all of these goodies. Some of them are from a Facebook group called Creativity Swaps, Happy Mail and Friendship. And the ladies there are really a whole lot of fun. It is not my Facebook group, but I am in the Facebook group, and I will link it below. So if you decide you would like to join, head on over there, check it out. They have a few requirements and rules to follow. It's though it's a really good group. So just let them know I sent you. And I have a feeling some of these are Valentine's cards. I had a Valentine card swap, and I said if anyone sent me a Valentine's Day card, I would send you one back. So here we go. And I know it's after Valentine's Day, but I only check my post office box about once a week. And I checked it last on Valentine's Day, and then here it is about a week later. So let's see what we have in here. This is from Dawn, and this is wishes from the group. We do wishes every other week on Wednesday, where we get to wish for 10 things, and then we choose 3 people and grant some wishes. So these are adorable, sparkly dogs. I love it. And a little mini peacock. And this looks like a coloring page. It's probably a peacock. It sure is. It says, did you hear the story about the peacock? And the answer to the riddle says, yes, it's a beautiful tale. And on the back it says, what do you give a sick bird? And the response is, good treatment. I like that. And then this really pretty owl, I don't know if it's a sticker or a card, but it's really pretty, and that would go good on a card. Thank you so much, Dawn. And we have another envelope. And this one is from Victoria. And it looks like a Valentine's Day card. And let me go ahead and read it. Sending you happy Valentine's Day wishes. I enjoy your videos on YouTube. Looking forward to more good ideas in the coming months. Stay safe and keep on crafting. And this is from Vicky. That is a beautiful card, Vicky. I will hang it on my Valentine wall. I'll leave them up for about a month, and then I will take them down. This one here is from Noelle. I love the beautiful gold envelope. And I'm surprised it's such a big card, Noelle. Happy Valentine's Day. Crafty Rhea, YouTube is red, Facebook is blue. With Crafty Rhea online, there's so much content to view. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for all you do, Noelle. P.S. I've moved. Please note the new address on this envelope. Okay, I'll change that in my system. And this is a beautiful card, Noelle, even though it is an A2 size card and not a 4-bar card, but I love it. And that will go on my wall for sure. That's so pretty. And here is another one, and this one is from Michelle. She is also a member of the group. And this is for the Wish Challenge. Okay, so Michelle and Lisa Kay are in the group, and they wished for a card challenge for me to send them supplies to make a card. So I sent them each a little card kit. And when I got this, I looked at this envelope and I'm like, that envelope looks so familiar. Well, it's because that paper I sent in the thing. I didn't even think about that. Oh, look at this. Oh, you did beautiful, Michelle. That is gorgeous. I sent her the and you know the paper and the flowers and this ribbon trim and all these little things, and look what she did with it. I wish I had a before picture of what I sent. It is so gorgeous. And she even put glitter on the inside. She says, "Wow, Maria, what a challenge. I had so much fun using everything that you sent for my Wish of a Card challenge. I hope you enjoy what I created. I can't wait to see Lisa's creation. She won't show me in advance. Have a great day, Michelle." Well, I can't wait to see Lisa's creation too. Lisa's kit was similar, but it had different colors. Oh, Michelle, that is beautiful. That will go on my wall for sure. I love it. You did a great job. Way better than I could have done with that stuff. Because I kind of randomly picked the stuff with not too much rhyme or reason. Okay, and this is from Wendy. She is also in the group. And this is, oh, this is the regift tag. We did, it was after Christmas, you know, you got something that you received as a gift and you regifted, and this must be what it is. That is cute. Penny for your thoughts. Make a change. I like that. That is really, really cute. And then these must be wishes. And this is some beautiful diamond wrap. I'm always wishing for something blingy and that sort of thing. And there's a blue raspberry drink mix that'll turn my mouth blue, so I'll have to drink it in the evening. Not that I'm going anywhere anyway. Here's some really pretty ribbon or lace, something like that. Thank you so much, Wendy. I really like that. And this one is from Tammy. She's also in the group. And this is my wish for used cards. I've had that card before. I think I still have it in my stash. I don't remember if I used it or not. They all blend together. And the Joy Angels, very pretty. I know someone that collects angels. I love the bicycle card. That is so, so cool. And this is a neat Santa, and this is very pretty. I like the purple and the green and the teal. They go good together. Looks like there's two of the same. Very cool. And then the pretty, I think that's a chickadee. Correct me if I'm wrong. Thank you so much, Tammy. I really appreciate the cards, and they will be put to good use. And my last two packages came all the way from Ireland, from Janet. I love her writing. It is so pretty. Love, love, love her writing. And these might be wishes. She's also in the group. And she is one of my Patreons, and she is also one of my subscribers. This must be wishes, would be my guess. And these are please deliver to labels that will go good on big packages. Oh, we have peacocks, a couple different ones, beautiful, and dogs. Love dogs. So cute. I'm not a regular mom. I'm a dog mom. That is true. Those are adorable. And then we have these 4 wishes. And look how nice she cut them out and rounded the corners. These are for these. We call these tag inserts. And we put them inside whenever we send a tag. And yep, this is something St. Patrick's Day, peacock, and dogs. This is wishes. Thank you so much, Janet. I love these. And we have some peacock die cuts. They are beautiful. I don't have a peacock die. That is so gorgeous. I think I need to get a peacock die. Love it. And of course, my favorite color is purple. And I do love the white peacocks as well. They are beautiful. And that one is silver. So pretty. Thank you so much, Janet. Those are beautiful. And then we have a goodie bag of St. Patrick's Day goodies. We just have some cutouts. Very cool. Of course, St. Patrick's Day stuff from Ireland. I am so excited. We are doing a pocket letter for St. Patrick's Day, and Janet is my partner. So I'm going to get a pocket letter from Ireland for St. Patrick's Day, which I think I'm the luckiest one in the group. These are so cute. That's very pretty. I won't go through all of them, but these are so awesome. Oh, I like those tags. Look at those tags. Very cool. They're very vintage looking. Love it. All of these. These are great for cards. These will make card making so easy. Since I don't have an Echo Park package for St. Patrick's Day, this will be great. Maybe we should have a St. Patrick's Day card exchange. Why not? If you send me a St. Patrick's Day card, I'll send you one back. How's that? And because now I have all kinds of stuff to make cards with. I won't bother you with putting all of this away. I will set that aside. Thank you so much, Janet. I really appreciate it. Those are gorgeous. And then she sent me a huge envelope. It was a little torn when it got here, so I hope it all made it okay. And this is for more wishes from January 20th. Used greeting cards and something glittery. And she has sent me used greeting cards before, and they are always so beautiful. I love these. They're so pretty. And look at this glittery paper. Oh, yeah. If you hear noise, it's Jonah. We gave him a new toy today from BarkBox. It was a big, probably this big piece of pizza with a squeaker, and he has been going to town on it. So you could probably hear him squeaking his toy. He's going crazy. He does not chew up his toys anymore. He used to take the squeakers out and chew up his toys when we had Oscar. But since Oscar moved out, his big brother, Jonah has not torn up a toy since. And so now we still get BarkBox, and we get 2 toys in each BarkBox. And he has so many toys, so many toys. Anyway, back to this beautiful package. There is all this beautiful glittery paper. Love it. And all of the colors, which is great. And these are some more beautiful cards. Love the Santas. Janet, I don't know where you get these cards, but they are phenomenal. They are so pretty. These are really thick cardstock, and you can see they're really shiny. They're absolutely beautiful. I love that. I love that. I wonder what the company is. It says the Christmas Collection, Studio 41. They are just so, so pretty. There's the bicycle. Love it. And these are beautiful too. These look like just the fronts of cards, but they are very sturdy cardstock, and they're very glossy. So cool. That one's so pretty. And that would be good for a sentiment. Very pretty. Oh, these are the inside. See, so for a special sister, happy birthday, and then there, that would be the inside. So pretty. And this is for godmother. Look at those beautiful purple butterflies. So, so pretty. I love these cards. They're so beautiful. An auntie, I like that. I'm an auntie. Love them. So pretty. Love them. And just because it says, you know, something like that, you can always cut that part off or put something over it if you don't have an aunt or someone to send it to. So don't let that deter you from recycling your cards. That one's funny. Love it. There just aren't enough words to say how fantastic you are. Very cool. Whoops. Happy birthday. And then some sentiments from the inside of cards, which are perfect because I use those as well. Here's another auntie. And here is a sister. This one's huge. And this one is really, really big. That is so pretty. Love it. Thank you so much, everybody that sent Happy Mail and participated in my Valentine's Day card swap. I really appreciate all of it. So I think, yes, what I will do is a St. Patrick's Day card swap. And if you send me a St. Patrick's Day card, I'll send you one right back. Thank you again, everyone, for watching. I do appreciate all of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. But wait, before you do that, click that subscribe button, okay? Please. And then if you click the subscribe button, click on the bell, and then you're notified when I upload new videos. So now, go get crafting. Bye-bye.